are here with me. It has been a long time coming. We are wrapping up about year 2, I would say. Going into year 3, 2022 is about to be the best year of my entire life. 2021 was definitely very challenging. I don't know about y'all, but I took a lot of dips, I took a lot of spins, I took a lot of, what is that? Like, you know, like a lot of stuff just kind of happened that I was not prepared for, but it prepared me for what's in store. Before we jump into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share it with your folks because we're just wrapping it up and I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. And I'm so excited. 2021 was a real crazy year for me. I landed major deals that I never thought I would have ever, like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, this year has been crazy. Like, I started this year off knocking doors. I knocked doors for solar and I knocked doors for alarms. Like, I would get dropped off in random places in California, in Texas, in Ohio. Like, I have been all over the place knocking doors, and that's what changed my life. I lost my job earlier this year due to COVID, and then my job ended up calling me back like, hey, you know, we really want you back, da 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 da. So I ended up going back to work in August. So here I am balancing YouTube, also trying to figure out, like, you know, what am I supposed to be doing? How are things supposed to be working out for me? And like, how am I supposed to do this stuff? You know what I mean? Like, I literally just was lost at the beginning of this year. Around March, I got my first deal with YASS, which was probably one of the coolest things because I was trying to figure out, like, okay, how do I make money, but also, like, how do I make a living? Like, you know what I mean? So that was my first official deal that I ever had. And then I worked with Curls, and then I worked with Markela, and then I worked with Aldo, and then all these people started to reach out, and I was like, okay, I think I can do this, okay. My YouTube started to grow real crazy. And like, I'm just now getting into TikTok and stuff. Like, I've been consistent on Instagram, so it's really just been like the wave of consistency, like just riding that wave and seeing what's happening. And it's really cool. So I wanted to share with y'all a few of my goals. I may have to take this out. This was my like vision board for like last year. I put it in a frame. I stole this from my sister because I seen hers was in a frame and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do that. So I actually wrote out my goals. I wrote out 30 goals. And some of them came true. So one of my goals was I will accept my first influencer deal with a major company. Now, the company that I really wanted to work with was Markela. But the first big company that I actually worked with was YASS. I wanted to read a book a month. I've been starting to do that. Like, I think this was just like really good habits. I traveled on other people's dime. Like, I didn't pay for stuff. I networked. I increased and locked in another source of income, which will soon replace my salary because that is the goal. Because I don't know about y'all, but I'm just not fulfilled at my job anymore. I used to be, and I used to be real passionate about it, but now I just feel real down and drained and overwhelmed, and that is not the life that I picture for myself. So that is not the life that I am about to live. I'm really about to be doing YouTube full force, and I'm changing everything. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I think that's really wild because I remember when I only had 50 subscribers, okay? Like, I remember when I just started off, and just to know that this is only the beginning. Like, I'm going to build my house off of the money that I make from YouTube. My student loans are about to be paid off because of YouTube. Like, I'm about to buy me a brand new car. Like, y'all might not see it now, but I feel it. That's why I feel so comfortable saying it. Manifestation is so real. Like, I was knocking doors. I was laid off. How was I able to manage my bills? How was I able to keep my head above the water, y'all? Like, only God was able to do that for me. And I'm believing for more next year. Like, right now, I'm not even gonna stop. I'm just real happy because for a long time, I feel like I really wanted to climb the corporate ladder because I didn't know anything else. And influencing came into my life, and YouTube came into my life, and I was like, wait a minute. I can really do this. Like, I can really live my life full time, waking up every day, talking to y'all, you know, creating content, working with big brands, you know, help deliver their message and bring awareness to their companies as well as mine. Like, I can really do this. And I think once I realized that, that's when I really started to turn up. Y'all gotta think. We Dad reached out to me, and they have been trying to reach out to me. I don't think I responded to them until like April or May. Or March. It could be March. Between March and May is when I have responded because I'm like, I never did none of this stuff before. This could be a scam. Now that I was able to see that, oh no, there are real companies out here that want to work with me, little old me. I still don't have 10,000 followers on Instagram, and I put out quality work. But that just goes to show you that those followers and likes, that's cute and everything, but if you can't over deliver and under promise, then you just gonna have followers and subscribers. Like, you know, I want to actually create something that's meaningful. I want people to feel like they really relate to me. I want people to be like, oh my God, I can do my hair like that. You know, like, I don't want people to just come across my page and just be like looking like, oh, she just like everybody else. Like, no. I mean, although that's how you feel, that's on you, boo. I mean, that's how you sleep at night, that's cool. But me, that's not my agenda. I finally realized that you can really have whatever you want in this world. But until you realize that, you're just gonna be here. And you're just gonna be existing. Like, you're not gonna be living. And I don't want to exist. I don't want to go to work every day 9 to 5 and I got a whole bunch of work and somebody breathing down my back about like micromanaging me. No, that's not it. That's not the life that I'm about to live. That's not the life that I desire. It's not the life that I dream of. So I'm going to change it. And I know for a fact, like, I don't know if y'all follow Amber Skull. I think I'm saying her name right. Like, this girl inspired me so much. Her, Kimberly, Jackiana, Aaliyah J, the twins, I can't think of their name, the pretty twins, but they inspire me so much, and I feel like if I can be that much of an inspiration for somebody to start and finish and keep going no matter what, then that's the goal. I look forward for 2022, so don't act like you don't know, okay? Like, it's our year, okay? I love you guys. I'm thankful for y'all. Like, I'm really about to be year 3. Year 3 might be my breaking point year. Year 3 might take me there. Year 3 is gonna take me there. Like, I really bossed up on my 2nd year. So I'm really excited. So I hope y'all catch it. But nevertheless, I love y'all. I cannot wait to see y'all next time. I'm dropping weekly videos. My goal is to do twice a week, which I really can do. That's really not that bad. But that's my goal. I love y'all. Stay tuned for more. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. And I can't wait to see y'all next time.